Welcome to the Gearbox. We're here with Jerry and Dustin from Starting Line Products, and we've been riding today in this great powder, and they have a couple of sleds they brought with us today, and I want to have them explain what they've done to them.
That's right, Blake. The powder is really good today. It snowed for the last 2 or 3 days. We got 2 plus, almost 3 feet of snow, which are optimal conditions to try out the modifications that we've got to these 2 sleds. And Jerry, this is a sled you were riding today. Tell us a little bit about what's been done to this one.
You know, the motor on this Pro RMK is basically stock. We've added a SLP single pipe to it. Gives another 7.6 horsepower and quite a bit of torque increase. Just makes it a lot snappier, gets it up on the snow quicker, and allows you to go where you want to go. Now, the other things that it's got on it, it's got a team-tied clutch on the for the secondary clutch, and we've re-clutched it for that pipe to where we've optimized the tuning of it. You know, as part of this pipe kit that we've put on here, we needed a little extra fuel in certain places and to trim a little fuel here and there to make the sled run up to its potential of having this additional horsepower that we gained with the pipe set. And so we put a DynoJet Power Commander 5 on there, and with one of our super tuned maps, and it works really well.
So these 2 sleds basically have a similar setup up to that point. One thing that we do have on this sled that we do not have on this sled is the Walker Evans shocks that we carry. They're an aftermarket shock. It's a high performance shock. They are the same brand that comes stock on these machines, but they're a piggyback reservoir, 14 position clicker, dual rate spring. The ride is a lot more plush, a little more predictable. It doesn't seem to rebound as much, and so the shock itself provides for a more consistent handling, a more predictive handling, and a more enjoyable ride. And moving on to this sled here, this machine's still got the same pipe and the Power Commander, all the same air intake pieces, but it's got some V-Force 3 reeds installed that this machine doesn't have. And it's interesting because this machine responded better to the additional reeds than almost any other machine we've ever tried them on. We were able to achieve another 4 additional horsepower on peak, and the throttle response is amazing. Quite a bit better than what we had before, previous to installing the reeds. Of course, in addition to that, we've maximized the clutching to get the horsepower to the ground. We've got some custom components in there that we manufacture that are a little more efficient. And the whole package together just really emphasizes the true potential of what these machines can do, especially again in these conditions that we're in today. Moving outside the engine compartment, you'll see we've got the hot air elimination kit where we've got vents on the sides of the panel, and that'll just bring a lot of the hot air as much as we can get out to keep the components under the hood running as cool as possible. You notice we've also got a hot air vent up here. And then moving towards the back, something that really helps in off-camber, mountainous terrain where you're moving around on the machine a lot is the Stomp Grip seat cover, the Stomp Grip pads on the side of the tunnel on the side of the tank. That allows me to grip the machine a lot better when I'm trying to move my body weight from one side to another, or I'm sitting loose on the machine so that I can control the machine in the manner that I want to.
Thanks for joining us in the Gearbox today. It's been our pleasure to show you these great sleds and the products that we've built for them. For more information on any of our products, you can visit us on the web at www.startinglineproducts.com.
From mild to wild, Starting Line Products can help with all of your performance needs. Powder Pro skis, high flow intake kits, lightweight silencers, full performance exhaust systems, and much more, setting the world's performance standards. For a free 124-page catalog, call us at 208-529-0244 or visit us online at startinglineproducts.com.